This video will cover the process to manually program the channels on your Winston CVap RTV oven. Tracing clockwise on the dial, scroll to the Program Channel menu. Press Enter. Select the channel that you want to program. The control will display Program Process. The control will then display Cook and Hold. Using the dial pad, choose either Cook and Hold or Holding Only. If Holding Only is chosen, the program will go to the holding setting. If Cook and Hold is chosen and the unit is a Series 7, Cook type will be displayed. Choose either Timer or Probe and press Enter. If Probe is chosen, cooking probe temperature will be displayed. Set the final probe cooking temperature. It can be set to off or any temperature between 90 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 to 93 degrees Celsius. Press Enter. If the unit is a Series 5, or if Timer is chosen, cook time will be displayed. Set your desired cook time. Cook time can be set to infinite or at any point between 1 minute and 99 hours. After time is set, press Enter. Cooking vapor temperature will be displayed. Using the dial, set your desired water temperature. Water temperature can be set to off or anywhere between 90 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 to 93 degrees Celsius. Press Enter. The control will display cooking air temperature. Using the dial, set your desired cooking air temperature. Air temperature can be set to off or the water temperature setting up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. The cooking air temperature can also be set to sous vide. If sous vide is selected, the cooking vapor temperature must be set between 90 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 and 66 degrees Celsius. When the unit is in sous vide mode, the unit temperature is controlled by the air temperature probe. This allows the entire cabinet temperature to reach the vapor temperature set point. After cooking air temp is set, press Enter. If the unit is a Series 7, convection cooking will now be displayed. Using the dial pad, set the convection fan to either on or off. Press Enter. The control will display high yield. Select on or off, press Enter. High yield reduces air temperature during initial browning to increase yield. It is commonly used when cooking large protein. The control will display hold time. Set the desired hold time. Time can be set to infinite or between 1 minute and 99 hours. Press Enter. Control will display holding vapor temperature. Set the desired hold vapor temperature. The vapor temperature can be set to off or any temperature between 90 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 and 93 degrees Celsius. After holding vapor temperature is set, press Enter. The control will display holding air temperature. Using the dial, set your desired holding air temperature. Air temperature can be set to off or the water temperature setting up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. After holding air temperature is set, press Enter. If the oven is a Series 7, convection holding will now be displayed. Using the dial pad, set the convection fan to either on or off. Press Enter. Control will display Program Complete. Scroll to View Channel Settings and press Enter. Then select the channel that you just programmed to verify your setting.